dry. Do you know I'm looking?
Anyway, so now I'm gonna give you a quick sweet tour. So, ayan, yan yung Waikiki. Tapos, ayan yung kanilang pool. Living
I
room.
put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
So kanina nag-scuba diving kami.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
Hey guys, good morning. Today is October 4, 11:14 AM po. And ngayong araw na to, pupunta kami ng The Mark Resort sa Lapu-Lapu, Mactan. Kasi in-invite kami to have a staycation. So, ayan, kasama ko si Paco, kami ng dalawa. And today pala, sabi sa Facebook, National Boyfriend's Day. Happy National Boyfriend's Day, my love.
Thank you, I love you.
So, ayan.
Hindi nakalimutan yung wallet kanina.
Oo, actually bumalik na kami sa sa dinaanan namin kasi nakalimutan niya yung wallet niya. Anyway, so ayun na nga, ito, papunta na kami ng The Mark Resort at hindi pa ako nakakapagkape. So, dadaan muna kami ng Starbucks para kumuha ng coffee because we can't function well without coffee.
Yay!
Ano mo?
Thank you. At tuming The Mark Resort.
Ay, okay.
Welcome.
Let's go to Don John's to pick up our food. Sobrang gutom na ako. Ayan, kumain muna ako ng mac and cheese ng Don John's. Guys, 11/10 yung rate ko dito. Sobrang sarap. Right, club? So guys, ayan, nandito na tayo sa aming suite. I actually didn't expect this. Akala ko parang ordinary room lang yung ibibigay sa amin ng The Mark Resort. So, I'm shocked na binigay sa amin yung suite, tas kami lang dalawa. Anyway, so now I'm gonna give you a little or a quick suite tour. So, dito nakaharap ako sa entrance at pagpasok po natin, meron tayong rack dito. Siguro pwede nilagay yung shoes dyan o yung luggages ninyo, or I don't know, let me know kung ano talagang purpose nito sa comment section. And then we have here a small kitchen area, may refrigerator, meron ding microwave. Basically, you have everything you need here. Bawal nga lang magluto, but they have 2 restaurants, meron dyan sa taas, meron din silang Waikiki doon sa Waikiki restaurant doon sa baba. And then, ayan yung sink, and then ito yung dining area. Very social. Tapos, ito yung view ng kitchen area. Pakita mo sa kanila, love. Ayan, yan yung Waikiki. Tapos, dito pwede din tumambay. Andyan yung mga boats nila. Tapos, ayan yung kanilang pool. The other side, parang 4 feet lang yan. So, etong isa is 12 feet. Kasi, dyan din usually nag-orient or nag-train for scuba diving. So, kaya 12 feet yung kabilang side. So, close muna natin to dahil sobrang liwanag. And then, we have here an extra bed. Before we proceed to the living room, meron pala ditong toilet. malapit sa door, main door. Ayan. Perfect to guys for barkadas, for family, or kung kailan dalawa ng lover mo, ng boyfriend mo, ng husband mo. Perfect na perfect to. And then we also have here a storage room. Ayan, we have extra pillows, beddings, mga extra bed, whatever you need for. And then we have here the living room. Sobrang laki ng living room, guys. Ayan siya. Napaka-fancy. Diba? Ang late ka tingnan. Charot. Tapos, we have there TV. Sobrang laki ng TV. I think nasa 62 lang, no? Or mas mahaba pa. Sobrang laki niya, guys. Tapos pag ganun siya. Tapos, ito na yung view. Dito sa living room. Ayan. Yung dagat mismo. Ayan. Meron din silang mga ano dito, guys. Water activities. I think meron silang kayak. Meron din silang jet ski. Meron silang yacht. Ayan, bukas mag-yacht kami. Yun yung itinerary namin for tomorrow. And scuba diving. Again, this is the living room. Sobrang laki. Now we head to the bedroom. Ayan. Sobrang ganda ng bedroom nila. We have here a king-size bed. Same lang ng view sa sala. Yung dagat. And we have here a vanity area. Tapos, same lang din. Syempre, ano lang to. Tapos, ayan, side table. And then, we have here closet. And then, this is their toilet and bath. Very spacious. Ayan yung mirror. And then, ayan. Alam niyo, gusto ko yung interior nila kasi may pagka, minimalist na chic. Something like that. May mix of ganda na interior. Bed na bed ko. Tapos, ito yung kanilang shower. And then, ito din yung same storage room na makikita natin sa sala. Ayan. And then, we have here the toilet. Ayan. So, that's basically it. Magla-lunch muna kami. Gutom ka na ba, Nyor? Gutom na. Ayan, we have here food from Don John's. Ayan, yung kaninang mac and cheese.
Sir, okay, right?
This is my fries.
Actually, paborito namin to ni Malaya.
Water, please. Guys, napasarap yung tulog namin. Magnanap lang sana kami. Tapos, plano namin gising kami 4:30. Nag-alarm naman yung alarm namin. Pero, nag-snooze or tinigil ni Paco. So, time check, 6:33 na. 6:37 pala. So, diretso na kami. Dinner. Plano ko sana mag-swimming pa kami. Oh my gosh. Pure, di ba? I mean, time, di ba mag-close?
8:30 last call namin niya until 9.
Okay.
Isa na sa kwarto.
Si Paco Nagsi-sweet tour siya. We'll see you guys in the morning. Nood muna ako. Good morning, guys. So today is October 5, 2021 and time check around 8 na. Siguro mga 10 minutes past. We're waiting for breakfast. Nagpa-room service lang kami for breakfast. And then after breakfast at 9 a.m., magsuscuba diving kami sa dagat. Kasi may option, dalawang option. Either sa pool lang or sa dagat. And we chose the dagat. And this is going to be my second time. Anyway, we'll update you guys later. I will probably change first para ready na after breakfast. See ya! Guys, naka-check out na kami sa The Mark. Umuulan na kasi, so let's go. Hey guys, so naka-check out na pala kami. Actually, kaka-check out lang namin. Tapos, we did a quick parang photo shoot lang. Hindi lang photo shoot. Nag-take lang kami ng photos around the resort. Kaso biglang umulan or biglang umambon. So, tumakbo kami papunta ng sasakyan. Grabe, napaka-relaxing ng araw namin kahapon at kanina. Tapos, guys, I would just like to commend their food. As in, lahat ng in-order namin, lahat ng kinain namin dito sa The Mark Resort, sobrang sarap. Sobrang sulit din sa presyo. And, perfect din na pinili namin yung Monday, Tuesday na mag-check-in kasi wala masyadong tao. As in, yung tipong makakapag-relax ka talaga, ma-enjoy mo yung amenities, yung staycation, talaga ma-enjoy mo. Pero pag weekends daw, marami daw talaga yung tao dito sa The Mark Resort. So, ayun, if you guys would want to visit The Mark Resort, I highly suggest you visit the resort during weekdays. Kasi wala masyadong tao. So, ayan. Again, thank you so much, The Mark, for having us.
Yes.
We'll be back soon.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help